Hey, it's Chris from Smile here again with another tips video. So another common one that as a homeowner you're probably going to notice before anything else is your unit is leaking. Yeah, specifically your furnace here. There are a bunch of different places that the unit can leak from. You can have tubes plugged that are causing water to backflow. Sometimes the plastic casing on the motor can crack and this can leak. The seals for the collector box, there are a lot of different parts on the furnace that can leak. Now what is important is that if you are going to attempt to document everything before we get there, pop the front door on the furnace open and just see, do we have water on the top section? Do we have water on the bottom section? This can tell us a whole bunch of different things. If you're seeing water in the bottom but not on the top, then you know it could be this leak or this leak, but not a couple of other things. So it is important, if you are gonna document and leave the unit off, pop that door off, see if we're seeing where exactly the water is coming from. This can help a lot. Now, two very common spots for leaks on furnaces come from the condensate trap and the condensate pump. Not everybody has a pump. Sometimes you just drain right to a hole on the floor, but a lot of times in older homes you don't have that, and that's when we'll install you a pump. These things both can get all plugged up full of just junk that comes through condensation draining. They can both be cleaned out, something you could attempt to do on your own or have a technician come in and do it, but just always keep an eye. Your pump is more than likely the most common spot to leak, so if you are seeing a leak, just check around to see if it is coming from there, and then we know right away what the issue is.